Oh, I didn't do all that, but I think that'll be safe. Okay. You don't know that.
From the supplementary cost list for motion, item number 19. Yes, ma'am.
Your Lordship,
Eh,
during the construction of the two-lane road project from Kohima to Jesami Road, the land, building, and other properties of the petitioners were damaged.
so compensation,
Yes,
heard I mention so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. The case of the petitioner in brief is that during the construction of two-lane road project from Kohima Jesami Road, the land, building, fields, and other properties of the petitioners were damaged. Stop against the damage caused. The petitioners have you submitted any representation?
yes, Your Lordship.
Let's see.
48,
48.
yes.
Have submitted the representation.
Jointly and individually.
Have submitted the representations. Jointly and individually to the respondents for payment of compensation for the damage caused. Stop. However, the representation submitted by the petitioners have not evoked any response. Stop. Being aggrieved, the present writ petition has been filed. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable returnable after 4 weeks. Yes, for
the union, madam.
Union 1,
1, 2,
2 is you are for NHIDCL also?
no, madam.
No.
Only for the union.
Mr. M. Longkumar, you are for 4, 5?
0.5, Your Lordship.
Mr. Your good name?
Jin Yang Hong for Yang Rao, madam.
Chingyang so-and-so. Learned counsel. Accepts notice on behalf of Mr. Yamarawati, the learned CGC, and Mr. M. Longkumar. Accepts notice on behalf of the state respondent number 4 and 5. The learned counsel shall accordingly furnish the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned CGC as well as the learned government advocate when
2
2 weeks
2 days.
within 2 days from today. Insofar as the respondent number 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8 are concerned. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the state respondents by a registered post with AD within a period of
This week.
7 days from today. Okay. For admission, item number 1.
My pleasure, Your Lordship.
Yes,
I'm on behalf of the counsel for the petitioner, Justin. I was informed that the state respondents have filed their counter affidavit, so
Yes.
3 weeks' time may be granted.
madam, you have filed?
Yes, Your Lordship.
When did you file?
I filed on 10th of June.
One to six?
Yes, Your Lordship.
One to six, okay. Yes, how much time for a
3
report?
weeks, Lordship.
You're mentioning on behalf of?
Justin, the counsel for the petitioner.
Mention has been made on behalf of Mr. Justin Mugg,
Lordship,
the learned counsel for the petitioner, seeking for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 2.
Your Lordship, his state has filed the additional affidavit as directed by the court order dated 9/5/2025, Your Lordship. And I've served a copy to the petitioners also.
Your affidavit is dated, additional affidavit is dated
25th, 2025. 25th.
20 May,
Yes, Your Lordship, 20 May, additional affidavit.
21 May. Yes, we release the case for hearing. Okay,
Lordship, my case has been considered as per this affidavit, so additional affidavit they have filed. Let it be. Let it turn up after 4 weeks so that they may also carry out the process, which is going on before the government.
heard Mr. Senso, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and MS AIME, learned government advocate for the state respondents. In the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents, it has been averred that the case of the petitioner for regularization and service is under consideration. Stop. 3 weeks' time is accordingly, 4 weeks' time is accordingly granted, okay? To the learned government advocate to place the up-to-date status report.
Your Lordship, if I may, in my additional affidavit, I have stated the up-to-date latest status report of the petitioner. Now his case is before the MRC.
That is why you have still not listed after 4 weeks for enabling the state respondents to place the final report as to the regularization of the service of the petitioner. Okay,
Obliged, Lordship.
listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, kindly allow me 2 weeks' time to file my rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in reply filed by the petitioner. I'm for respondent.
You're for respondent number 6?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, you're MS S. Jamir?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
S.
No,
Jamir?
no, Your Lordship.
MS,
Grace Brown.
you're for the respondent number 6?
Yes, Your Lordship, respondent.
Okay, MS so-and-so? Learned counsel for the respondent number 6 is further allowed 3 weeks' time to file rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in reply filed by the petitioner, listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 4.
Your Lordship, I have filed my affidavit.
Lordship,
Yes.
just now I've received the affidavit filed by the state respondents.
David.
Kindly grant us some
You
time.
have filed affidavit in opposition?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes. Affidavit, no, yes. You file reply,
Yes, Lordship.
MS so? Yes, what about you?
Lordship, we have already filed our affidavit.
So your reply is only with regard to the state respondents?
Since I have received from the state, I'll file to both the respondents.
Who is the other respondent?
Accountant General, respondent number 9.
Respondent number 9. Okay. Okay. MS so? Learned counsel for the petitioner. Is allowed 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents, as well as by the respondent number 9, listed accordingly. Okay.
For admission, item numbers 5 and 6.
Yes, Mr. Moa, you are so happy. What does that mean?
Every time I'm happy, I have my
Yes.
counter.
You file your counter. That is why more happier.
More happy.
When did you file, Mr. Moa? Counter, yes.
Last week, I.
Yes, yes, yes. The affidavit on behalf of respondent 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, can you allow me 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply?
Okay, the MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents, listed accordingly. Okay.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 7.
Okay, so Lordship,
Yes,
Lordship, I've received the counter file by the respondents this morning.
yes.
So 3 weeks' time may be granted to file my
Okay.
reply.
Mr. So, but let us see the affidavit. When did you file, ma'am? You're,
Yesterday, Lordship, yesterday.
okay, it's not on record.
Lordship,
Okay. MS S. Chang, the learned government advocate, submits that the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondent has been filed. Stop. The affidavit is, however, not on record. Stop. Registry to verify the same and place on record. Listed after a week.
For admission, item number 8.
Your Lordship here, and also in this case also, Your Lordship, the petitioner, they are seeking for service regularization. Now the petitioner number 2 is service been regularized, and then number 1 is under process. So let it become after 4 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. You file your affidavit, ma'am?
Yes, Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioners, for the parties, listed after 3 weeks,
Lordship.
listed after 3 weeks.
Okay, Lordship.
For admission, item number 9.
Yeah, this is Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention on behalf of MD Insong, additional AG.
okay.
If 2 weeks' time, 3 weeks' time may be granted to me to file my affidavit in opposition, Lordship.
Okay, ma'am. The instruction is. Three weeks' time is further granted to the state respondents to file the affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 10.
Yeah, this is Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship here, the state respondent is yet to file affidavit.
Who is for the state?
Your Lordship, kindly grant 3 weeks' time to file affidavit on behalf of Bichano, Your Lordship.
Okay. Who is appearing, Mr. Im Tim Sung, additional AG or Pichano? Because
Lordship, it's in Tim Sung.
the last order reflects the name of Im Tim Im Sung.
It's right, it is.
The learned additional AG is for the allowed 3 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Yes, Lord.
For admission, item number 11.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, here, the affidavit is under preparation, so I'll file within 3 days. Let
Okay.
it come after a week.
Ms. Senso, the learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed further 1 week's time to file affidavit in reply.
For admission, item numbers 12 and 13.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My lord, here pleadings are completed. I pray that if this matter may be listed for admission hearing after vacation.
Okay.
My lord, I filed my affidavit.
Okay. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed and the matter can be listed for hearing. Listed for hearing in the usual course. Okay.
Much.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 14.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, kindly grant me 3 weeks time, Lordship. I've served from the verification, Lordship.
Lordship, I have an objection, like,
Why objection?
for the last 5 occasions, they've been seeking time, so let this be the last time.
Are you ready for hearing?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Are you ready for what is your case?
The matter pertains for completion appointment.
Compassionate appointment. What is your serial number? You will not know your serial number unless the government files their affidavit. Because actually compassionate appointment does not give you automatic right. Correct. Because the government, I think the government also has also maintains the list for compassionate appointment. So it is only you expedite your affidavit.
Yes,
Okay.
Lordship.
Because without the government filing the affidavit, you will never know in what position you are. And that way, this court will also not be in a position to deliberate this issue. Okay. You're the counsel, madam?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. MS S. Subangcha. The learned government advocate is further allowed 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Much obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 15.
Your Lordship, on behalf of Inaoli, kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit. She's yet to receive the Parawais comments.
Okay. The learned government advocate is further allowed 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, this is an interim, Lordship.
The interim order passed earlier, stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Much obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 16.
May I please, the Lordship?
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, I have received the instruction from the respondent number 6, respondent number 5, Lordship.
Respondent number. Just wait, just. The respondent number
Received from the Home Commission, Home Department, Lordship.
from department that is free.
Respondent number 3, Lordship.
Ah.
Lordship, I have received through WhatsApp, Lordship, on 13th, Lordship, and I'm yet to receive the hard copy. And I have received.
I think
No, no,
I
no.
think the WhatsApp copy is clear enough to read also. Lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
Because
And-
Lordship, my
and that-
tenure is getting over in 2026.
And that I.
Probably they are waiting for my
13th
tenure to get over.
13th of June, Lordship, day before yesterday.
Is it legible, your WhatsApp?
This is
So
legible.
you file your affidavit
Lordship, I
on
will
the basis of that?
Okay.
We record that you have received the instructions.
Lordship, I have received, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Vijmomi, the learned government advocate submits that he has received the instructions and will be filing the affidavit in opposition in 2 weeks' time.
Lordship.
Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks.
Hello.
Obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 17.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Your Lordship, in this case, I'm for respondent number 8, Your Lordship. I'm yet to file my power. So if it should be
when
started
can
back-
you file your power, Mr. Vero?
Your Lordship, Mr. Vero. If tribute time may be granted, Your Lordship. to file-
Yes, Mr. Kulnu,
No objection now.
no objection. Respondent, you're for respondent number?
8.
Eight.
New India.
Madam, have you filed your affidavit?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay. You're for, who is for one? Union?
Mr. Yangarwati.
Yangarwati?
Yes.
There was one friend representing Mr. Yangarwati. Okay, anyhow. Mr. Medovero submits that he has been entrusted to represent the respondent number 3,
8.
respondent number 8. And will be filing the power on behalf of the said respondents within,
3 week, Lordship, as well as
Within-
the affidavit.
and will be filing the power as well as the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the said respondents within 3 weeks.
On behalf of the respondent number 8.
On behalf of the said, I said said respondents, said SAID. The said respondents. Okay. Yeah, the CGSC as well as the learned government advocate are also given the same time to file their respective affidavit.
Much obliged.
Much obliged, sir.
For orders, item number 18.
Yes.
Your
Yes,
Lordship, this is for condonation of delay.
who is for the other side?
The government. Enangami. This condonation of delay, the petition has been pending since 11th of February, Your Lordship. And as far as the condonation is concerned, it is only the state who will give any objection. If there is any objection, the state will, my
Who
lord.
are the opposite parties, Mr. Joshua?
My lord, the state
Uh,
and the private respondent is there.
The respondent number, opposite party number 1,
Yes, Your Lordship.
and the rest are the state.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Lordship, Mr. Enangami is on his feet in court too.
Oh. There has been a lot of correspondence between the AG and the state, and that is how the delay of 1,447 days took place, my lord. Similarly situated cases, in all the cases, the department has taken the responsibility to pay.
This respondent number, this opposite party number 1 has not appeared in this case. No, well,
Yes.
this service.
Yet to appear.
Have you taken steps?
Yes, my lord, we have taken steps.
Where is that?
Unfortunately, we do not know the exact residence of the person, the earlier address that was given in the official records. We have given that from the civil suit.
So what will be the best way out?
My lord, perhaps the substitute notice by way of newspaper publication may be the only option, because the state also, since she is already retired, the state do not have her address, the department, and for us, we're not aware. My lord, with or without my learned friend, substitute notice may be allowed so that.
Of course, that I am just going through the other orders. By which order the notice was served?
My lord, 18/2/2024, 2025.
18/2.
My lord. The order date is 11/2/2025.
11/2, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah.
And notice we have served through the registry on 18th.
18. That Mr. Joshua Shetty, the learned counsel for the applicant, and MSAIME, the learned government advocate for the state respondents, correct? In terms of the order dated 11/2/2025, the learned counsel for the applicant has taken steps upon the respondent number 1, correct? Upon the respondent number 1
Your Lordship.
by registered post with AD. However, the office note dated 14/5/2025 and 12/6/2025 shows that a return service report in respect of respondent number 1 is still awaited. Mr. Joshua Shakti, the learned counsel for the applicant, submits that he may be allowed to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 1 by paper publication. They're allowed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1 by paper publication. In any of the 2 local newspapers, okay? 2 local newspapers, which is widely circulated in the state of Nagaland.
My lord.
Stop. Prayer of the learned counsel for the application is allowed. The applicant shall take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 1 by paper publication in any of the 2 leading newspapers, which is widely circulated in the state of Nagaland, and file affidavit to that effect. Listed after?
Your Lordship, 2 weeks.
List the case after 3 weeks. Paper publication on notice.
Your Lordship.
List the case after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship.